So now let's talk about the wrap feature. Now using this feature, we will wrap this sketch along the circular path here. So we have got a bottle shape here and I've created this sketch on this plane, which is at some distance from this bottle. And now I'm going to just wrap it right along the circumference of this bottle. For that, I'll go to Features Command Manager and here we have the wrap feature. Just select it. Now select the sketch which you want to wrap. In this case, I want to select this sketch. So all the ellipses are now selected and we are ready to wrap it. But before we do that, you need to now select the surface. So I want to wrap it right here, right in this one. And this is how the wrapped surface is going to look like. But it's really very funny. It's not the way we expected, and it is creating this kind of wrap because of the wrap method. So we have two wrap methods. We have a spline surface and the cylindrical one. Just select the cylindrical wrap and it will just wrap it like this. Now with this, it will give you the kind of shape which usually we expect. So this will wrap all of these ellipses along this cylindrical profile. Now we have three kind of wraps. So we have the emboss, we have the deboss, and we simply have imprint. So the first one will emboss it, second one will create a groove, and the third one is just going to imprint it here. So I'll just select emboss for now, and then you can specify the height of emboss. So that's 1 mm right now, and I'll leave the 1 mm emboss height here for now and click OK. And this is the final wrap feature which we are going to get. So this will just emboss it 1 unit outside. All right, now let's do it again. So I'll go to wrap and edit feature, and this time I'll deboss it. So I'll select deboss and maybe I'll just add the thickness of 2. So now it's going to deboss it by 2 mm. So click OK, and here we are. We've got a depth of 2 mm here. So that's how you can just wrap these things. Now that's not all. You can even wrap text. So let's just do that now. I'll select plane 1 and then I'll go to the sketch mode. In the sketch mode, I'll select text and I'll just add a text here. Maybe I'll just type SourceCAD. All right, and I'll add the text right about here. All right, there we are. So we've got the text added. Let's click OK, and now we are ready to wrap it. So exit out of this sketch and once again go to wrap feature. Now we need to select the sketch, but as you can see by default SolidWorks won't let me select the sketch from here. So I'll just select it from the feature tree. Sketch 3 is now selected. Now as soon as you select the sketch, it will show you the wrap tool. So again, you can select emboss, deboss, or just a simple scribe feature here. But here in this case, we need to select the wrap method here, which is a spline surface, because this is now created on this surface, which is created with spline. It's not a cylindrical surface. So for these kind of surfaces, you need to change the wrap method from analytical to spline surface. All right, so I've selected spline surface and now I will select this surface and SolidWorks will wrap it like this perfectly on this spline surface. Of course, if you select the first option, it won't wrap it. So analytical method will not work in this case. You just need to select the spline surface. Again, you can specify the height of emboss or deboss. So here I will just select the last option. I'll just describe it. So no embossing or debossing height, and with that click OK. And here we are, we have got this thing completely wrapped around this spline surface. So that's how you can use the wrap feature.